Hi guys, happy Friday. Well, today I want to show you daughter number 4's bedroom, all decorated for Christmas. And I can't take the credit for this room because she decorated it all herself. Yes, she did. She's kind of a little bit of a mini-me. She likes to decorate her bedroom and change it around a lot, just like I did when I was little. So let's go take a quick tour, shall we? Okay everyone, let's go in here and take a tour of Katie's room. And I thought it was only fitting that she give the tour since she is the one that decorated her room. So Katie, tell me what you did to your bed to give it a Christmas feel.
Okay, so at first I had a gray comforter, and then I changed it out with a white down comforter, and then I added a red queen size blanket. It's really soft. And then right here I have some Christmas pillows. And then I have these big white pillows. And then I added this garland right here.
And you just swagged it from that point to that point.
Yeah, and then I wrapped it around. And then I put some colorful lights on it that I just wrapped around. And then over here we have a Christmas tree. And I added some garland to it. And then I have some
peppermint ribbon.
And then we have like these little polka dot bows that we like tied. And so then I have these Christmas ornaments. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. And then right here we have these little plants. And then we have these angels. They're actually tree toppers, but they're...
Oh, are they?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, they're cute. And so then we have this placemat. It's cute. And then we have this little bell wreath. And then over here we have a Merry Christmas sign and little white lights. So there's that. And then over here we have a Home Sweet Home sign and then some garland with
a
flowers.
shell.
Yeah. And then over here, we have a little Christmas tree. We got from Walmart. And then we have these little picture frames. And then I have this placemat, and then a little flower, and then a candle. That smells really good. And so right here, we got this from Walmart. They're like,
I think they were called curtain LED twinkle lights. And they came, each individual strand came bundled up, and I didn't help her with this at all. She did this all by herself and hung it herself. I wonder who she gets that from. And show them what it's supposed to look like when you shut your curtains.
That's what it looks like. I prefer open though, because like you can actually see like the lights hanging down. That's also cool.
Looks like snow.
Yeah. And so basically I just like wrapped it around like the little curtain rod thing. And I just closed it. So there's that.
And then you added a pillow.
Oh yeah, right here. A red pillow. And then right here I have this candle holder. And then behind here, these are lamps facing up, like a backlight.
We like to backlight our TV so it's not so harsh on your eyes.
Yeah, and it looks brighter in my room when I add them.
Right.
And so right here I have a country holic sign. So there's that. Well, that's the end of my room tour. I hope you guys liked it. Happy holidays. And like and subscribe. Bye guys.
She's trying to stand on her tippy toes to look taller than me. We can't have this. Anyway, we're being goofy as usual. Anyway, have a great weekend, everybody. Thank you so much for stopping by and for all your lovely comments. And I'll see you in the next one. You know the drill.